Hello, once again, I am Jermal Chandler, and this is Volatility 411 for Tuesday, November 26th. Turkey Day is less than 48 hours away. U.S. equities are working on yet another record high. Meanwhile, investors are searching for any kind of progress in the trade deal talks. Word is that the U.S. and China reportedly held a phone call last evening between top negotiators in which they reached an agreement to continue working toward resolving key issues for the Phase 1 trade agreement. The market, which already expects both sides to talk until a deal is reached, has tempered its expectations. We'll continue to talk about it until they do something, but sorry folks, in the meantime, nothing to report here on the trade front. On the data front, we received new U.S. home sales data that showed buyers scooping up new U.S. homes over the past 60 days at the fastest pace in more than 12 years, thus showing signs of a sturdy housing demand amid lower prices and borrowing costs. One could connect the dots and say that the Fed cuts and steady gains in wages and jobs are helping these numbers. Volatility? Well, it's taken a nap. Fresh off its lowest close of the year yesterday, the VIX index has a reading today of 11.82. The VIX futures curve is in contango, with the December futures trading 14.04, while the January futures are trading 16.21. That's a difference of more than 15% between month 1 and month 2. VIX options activity has been a little on the light side ahead of the upcoming holiday, with the majority of activity concentrated in the standard December calls. Particularly to the upside, we've seen the seller of the standard DEES22 calls for a quarter on over 22,000 contracts. There's also someone who's been buying the way upside DEES26 37.5 call spread for 11 cents. They've done about 10,000 of those so far in the session. Well, as far as the rest of the week, we have earnings coming up on Tuesday from Dell Technologies and HP. U.S. consumer spending data is due on Wednesday, along with the quarterly GDP number, jobless claims, and durable goods on Wednesday. U.S. markets are closed on Thursday, of course, as we celebrate the Thanksgiving holiday. And then Friday, we're right back at it, but with an abbreviated trading session as the markets will close at noon Central Time. Thanks for watching Volatility 411. See you next time.